Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard nail polish soft again. First, grab your nail polish thinner. Add just 2 to 3 drops directly into the bottle. Then, gently roll the bottle between your palms for about 30 seconds. This helps mix the thinner without introducing air bubbles, which can make your polish streaky. Avoid shaking the bottle vigorously to maintain a smooth consistency. Another effective method involves warm water. Make sure your nail polish bottle is tightly sealed, then place it into a bowl of hot but not boiling water. Let it sit there for about 2 to 3 minutes. The warmth helps to thin out the polish, making it easier to apply. After a few minutes, remove the bottle and check the consistency. If it's still too thick, you can repeat the process. For very stubborn, hardened polish, a tiny bit of pure acetone can work wonders. Add just 1 or 2 drops into the bottle. It's crucial to use this sparingly, as too much acetone can actually ruin the polish's formula and color. Gently roll the bottle for about 15 seconds to incorporate it. Remember, this is a last resort and should be used with extreme caution to preserve your polish. To prevent your nail polish from hardening in the first place, always ensure the cap is tightly sealed after every use. Air exposure is the main culprit for thickening. Also, store your bottles in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. This helps maintain their original consistency and extends their shelf life. For more great tips and deals, including how to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.